This is the best whale show I think I have ever seen.
This is so cool. The baby turtles are just crawling their way into the ocean. Hello, welcome back to our channel. I'm Hayley, this is Jacob. We are currently driving down the Baja Peninsula. We are just south of the city of Todos Santos. We have a beautiful spot that is right on the Pacific Ocean. Already we have seen whales and dolphins in the water, so that's so exciting. We're starting our morning off with a walk down this beautiful stretch of beach.
This has turned into quite the walk. We're walking for about 2 hours, but we are just at the end.
Oh, there it is again!
Hayley, what are you looking at?
The whales are so active here. There's, I think it's a mom and a baby out there, and they keep breaching. I've never seen a whale breach before. This is so cool. I love it here.
I can fly!
Okay, that was quite a long walk. We walked the entire length of the beach to the rocks here, so we're gonna start making our way back very slowly because the whales are so fun to watch. We made it back to the van.
Come on, let's get water.
Up you go.
Nice. This is the best whale show I think I have ever seen. Except the orcas. The orcas are pretty cool. This is the best humpback whale show I have ever seen. That's a fin slapper, that is.
The whales have been so active all day. We have actually spent...
Tail, double tail.
We spent the entire day watching whales.
We've been having a great time hanging out on the beach, watching whales and watching the waves. Today, we are going to be heading into Todos Santos. It is another Pueblo Magico. Before we get there, we have a bit of a dicey road, and then we'll go check out the town. So we mentioned earlier that Todos Santos is a Pueblo Magico, and what that means it's a town that the Mexican government has designated as good for tourism. So they have amenities, they have cool things to see, and in our experience they are really cute towns. We are really excited to explore this one, and we're excited to see more in the future.
have been wandering around the beautiful streets and we are currently looking for some lunch. We're at a restaurant called Mi Costa, and this is a spot that one of the vendors, one of the stalls recommended we come try. Food here.
So as we've been going into shops looking for places to eat, we've been asking for recommendations, and we got one for a place called Mi Costa, and we went there and it was a bit off the beaten track. It was only locals and us, and the food was amazing. So it was really good. Now we're just gonna keep walking around Todos Santos and check out the shops.
Para todo mal está el mezcal, para todo bien también. Y cuando no hay remedio, litro y medio.
Gracias.
Gracias.
Sip or shoot?
Es de keys. Keys for keys.
Cheers.
For this shot, is probably 3 keys.
So we were just in one of the markets buying some pure cacao for my aunt, and we learned after we purchased it that every purchase comes with 2 shots of tequila or mezcal. So we tried some tequila and mezcal. It was delicious.
So Todos Santos is within day trip distance from Cabo San Lucas, and because of that it's very popular, very set up for tourists, and it's a very nice spot to walk around. There's good shops. Just south of here there's great surfing, and it is all around a really nice part of Baja.
Todos Santos used to be a sugar production city, and that was the old sugar mill. We're just driving down a very bumpy road to what we're hoping is going to be a really cool spot. It's a turtle camp where you can release baby turtles into the wild. Oh boy.
Let's go release some turtles.
Like that warmer scene.
Oh my goodness, there they go! This is so cool, the baby turtles are just crawling their way into the ocean. So that's it for our time in Todos Santos. We hope you enjoyed exploring with us. Right now we are making our way to the bottom of the Baja Peninsula to Cabo, so we'll see you there. We reached the bottom of the Baja Peninsula, and unfortunately our trip took a turn for the worst. We'll explain everything in the next video.